In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF in Bluebeam. If you've ever had a large document that's tough to share or you only need certain sections for a project, splitting a PDF is a quick way to keep things organized and easy to send. We'll walk through the process in Bluebeam Revu step by step, and I'll explain what each choice means so you can pick the option that fits your workflow. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. You can double-click the file from your computer or open Revu first and use the open command to browse to it. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure you're working from the correct version of the file and consider keeping a backup copy of the original just in case you want to revert later. With the PDF open, go to the top menu and choose Document, then click Split. This opens the Split dialog, which is where you'll decide how Bluebeam should break your file apart. You have three main ways to split. Splitting by number of pages divides your document into equal chunks. For example, if you enter 1, you'll get 1 page per file. If you enter 5, you'll get a new file every 5 pages. This is great when you want consistent, evenly sized parts. Splitting by file size aims to keep each output file below a size you specify. This is useful when you need to meet email attachment limits or upload thresholds. Keep in mind, the size of each resulting file can vary slightly based on the content of the pages because graphics and scanned images take more space than simple text. Splitting by top-level bookmarks uses the main bookmarks in your PDF, often things like chapters, sections, or disciplines, to create separate files for each primary section. This is the most convenient option when your document is already organized with bookmarks because your split files will follow that structure. Next, set the destination folder for the split files. Choose a location that's easy to find, like a project folder or your desktop. Bluebeam will save the new PDFs there so you can locate them quickly. When you're happy with your selections, click OK to start the split process. Bluebeam will process the document and create separate files based on your chosen method. Once it's finished, check the destination folder to see your results neatly laid out and ready to use. That's all there is to it. Clean, quick, and organized.